Hello and welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I like this hat. It was getting hot. This hat was one that was worn by my dad, and so I like it. All right, so here we have things, including many more data cards and stuff. And this supposedly has good chips. That's always reassuring. On parts and things and stuff. But I don't know where to put it. I don't. These things, I'll put them on the top of there, but they don't really belong there. Here's little plastic bags. And these two hammers, look at that. See, if you leave them outside, they'll get rusty. This one, it should probably have something else jammed into the top because the head is loose. They don't need to be here. So I think I will take them downstairs, try and find a toolbox to put them in. Here, look. We can celebrate Canada Day. That too. Beautiful. Doesn't need to be here. What is this? Oh. This is the box from a RAM expander. What else is in here? Programmer's Aid cartridge. That was a cool thing. But if you wrote something with it, then you had to have it in to run it. No more cartridges. Zone Ranger. Cool. Let's see. I don't just want to pull things from one thing to another thing to another thing. I really don't. There, there's a bag. It's got chips. What are they? I don't know. Why are they there? I don't know. There's a bag of bags. And so I have more bags. These are different bags, but that's okay. The bag of bags can go in the bag. Note paper. I don't know this. See, this thing is a good thing, but I don't know what it goes with. It is a diagnostic harness. And there's a bunch of screws. And fuses. But what is this? Oh, look. This I could turn into a cool pin. But I guess I could put it on a Vic 20. And I always get, oh, looky, the blaster thing. This is cool because if you want to just keep shooting, you put that between you and your joystick. What size are these? Oh, there's a disc. Check that out. This, of course, is the head vibration protector for use when in transit from Commodore. What does this say? Oh, yeah, wristband. Anyway, you know what? A lot of this stuff, right, this thing goes with a diagnostic thing, but not, I think, the diagnostic things that I have. And of course, I can't find some of them. I can't. Here, here's a serial cable. Ta-da! That needs to be there. The head protector I can put in with some discs. Oh, what is this? That's a chip. That's a 6581. And one would think that if it's in this box, it's probably not good. And you know what, this box is really, it's too short and too small to be helpful. So that thing, I'll stick over here. And then this other stuff, fuses and such. You know, this is necessary. You know what I should probably do? And I don't have a bag at this moment right handy to do this with, but I'm going to put this whole diagnostic thing into this bag with all these bags. Why? Because then it's all together. It is and well, there was one here. Is this the one that says no, it isn't. Oh, good ships. I'm going to put these screws in here. I'm going to put this bag. Now, what is in here? See, I don't know if these are good or not. I really don't. Where is my Sharpie? Where? I'm getting hot though. Maybe it's the fever kicking in. There's a cool power supply thing. Oh, come on. Oh, I'm feeling sweaty. Where is Sharpie? I had some. I know I did. But where are they? Where are the Sharpies? Oh, golly. Okay, I'm going to take these things out of here. I'm going to put them over here and put them in a disc case. Alright, I don't want to put this down on the floor. That's the whole thing I'm trying to do. Just get the floor tidied up some. Right. Sharpie. Okay. Now, so here's a bag. I'll put a big question mark on it. And the 6581, I'm going to put in it. I don't know. But if it's in that thing, it's probably not good. Probably not. Probably not. And you know what? Okay. Let's start taking some stuff out of here. The parts thing. Screws. Solder. Soldering iron. Bags. Things. Bags of bags. You know what? I'm going to put these bags of bags in this bag. Oh, there's some little electrical connectors. Those are handy. And more bags of bags. In the bag. Bags of bags in the bag. Aha. Now, I have here some swabs. So these swabs can go in this bag with other swabs. They can. They will. Look at that. They're all together. No, there's more room. Oh, look. More swabs. There's more room in there. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it's getting hot. Look, it's a disc notcher. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here is a ribbon for Panasonic KXP 2130. I'm not sure what else it is. Box, cartridge, and these things are handy. Actually, you know what I should do? There. This box doesn't need to be here. I'm going to put all the bags in a bag. Zip them up. And here's the Swabs, good for cleaning inside keyboard. Swabs. Note. Take note. Oh, this will sort that. Alright, well. Oh, and this is dying again. There. Update. Oh, I think it's time. Time for more medicine. I think it is. But I will get some of the stuff out of here that does not need to be here. And especially, eventually, this table needs to be mostly cleared off. Which, we are getting there. We are getting there. One thing I think I will do whenever I put this monitor up for sale is, of course, tidy it up, take a magic eraser to it and all that, but also take some pictures of the actual monitor with maybe some things on the screen, I think. So this monitor could be used, from what I know, very versatile. With a Commodore 64, a Commodore... Oh, maybe that's what that's for. 64, 128, VIC-20, 16, plus 4, a variety of Amigas, and maybe even, even the Commodore PCs, but I don't remember. I don't remember. Anyway, it's good to have all those inputs. Inputs are good. You never have enough inputs. Because you never know. You never know when you need some inputs or something. All right. Actually, you know what? Perhaps to sell this, I should do a little video to point out the wondrous things about it. Maybe. Anyway. All right. As I said, I'm getting hot, getting overheated. Time to lie down. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. Progress is slow, but it's coming along. David Bradley in the TV room, signing off. Bye for now.